Man, some music helps like no other.
You know, everyone like when things are going deeper. The boys, the girls, you know what I mean. You all know this moment where the DJ goes down into the tempo and the lights turn darker and darker into red shades. The girls are getting more joyful and they feel better. Some people need to be up all night to get lucky. That's not our case, guys. We just need to deep house.
gas limiter. You feel it?
Yeah.
It's 132 and change. It will not let me go any faster. Wow, bro, this car could pull to 160. You could feel it. That was like, it pulled to there with power. You know what I mean?
That's insane, bro.
You felt it?
Yeah.
Yeah. This car is powerful, bro. This car, if anything, it's a highway Autobahn monster. Monster. Yeah, with the loop. This is pretty aggressive turn. I'm not gonna go crazy though. Wow, this car has such performance. Top of 4th gear is pretty much 130, so that means all of 5th gear probably get me to 170. But it is just...
It's so crazy how fucking quick you get to 100 too.
I know. Yeah, I'm done. Alright guys, that's it. That was a lot. Woo! Damn. Cruise back home. Tomorrow, maybe hit the beach. Have a good day. Good night, guys. Thanks for watching.